In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this simple landing page to make over $500 a day promoting smart links. And for those who don't know what smart link is, basically smart links is designed in such a way that it redirects your visitors to offers that are performing in that region, which increases the likelihood that you're going to get a conversion because other people in that region are already completing that offer. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything correctly in this video and start making money. So the first thing you want to do is to look for people who are most likely to complete our offers. And since we already know most CPA offers are going to be sweepstake and giveaway offers, so you want to look for people who are most likely to complete these offers. So you want to go over to TikTok and you want to type in giveaway. As you can see right here, you're going to see a lot of videos that are getting a lot of views in this niche. These are the prime people who are most likely to convert on sweepstake offers. So you want to type in keywords like giveaway, you want to type in coupons, you want to type in freebies. As you can see, these are other relevant keywords right here. You can see this one, giveaway gift card live now. So these are the audience that are most likely to convert. So all you need to do from here is to simply download these videos. And to do that, all you need to do is to click on each of the videos like this. So once you click on each of the videos, then you want to come over to this website called talkdownload.com. So basically this website allows you to download TikTok videos without watermark, and you can download videos in bulk. All right, so all you need to do is to just copy and paste the link to those videos right here, and you want to click on download, and this website is going to download all the videos for you automatically. So once you add as many videos as possible, all you just need to do is to click on download. And once you do that, as you can see right here, it's going to show you the videos, and all you simply need to do from here is to click on download all videos. So once the download is complete, you're going to see a zip file like this, and all you need to do is to extract this zip file. All right, you can see these are the videos right here. So now once you see the videos, the next step is to go over to this website, and I'm going to be leaving a link to this website in the description. The reason why you want to do this is because we are going to be re-uploading these videos, but at the same time we don't want the algorithm to detect our videos as duplicates. So you want to remove the metadata of these videos and you want to make them unique in the eyes of the algorithm again. Okay, so all you need to do from here is to then click on this box right here to upload those videos. But keep in mind, for this website, you can only upload one video at a time. All right, you want to then click on this, get my file clean. So once you do that, it's going to download the unique version of the video, as you can see right here. Okay, so it has cleaned out the metadata of the video, which means this video is now going to look unique in the eyes of the algorithm again. And we already know this video is performing well on TikTok. All right, so once you do this step for all of the videos, the next step is to then go over to nodemaven.com to get a high quality proxy that we are going to be using to upload these videos. And the reason why I use nodemaven.com is because I have previously tried other providers, but their proxies are not as good as that of NodeMaven. So with NodeMaven, over 90% of their proxies are clean. You can get up to 24 hours sticky sessions using one single proxy. And the reason why I also like NodeMaven is because you are not subscribing per month. All you just need to do is to purchase the amount of bandwidth you need, and you can use it for as long as possible. The next thing you want to then do is to click on the first link in the description, which is going to then bring you to this page. Click on this join now to try out their proxies, or you can basically scroll down and you can purchase any of these available NodeMaven packages. So if I click on this light package for 35 euros, which is going to give me 5 gigabytes of traffic, all I need to do is to then click on buy package. Then you want to come over to this section that says apply coupon, and you want to type in XB in capital letters. So once you type this, all you need to do is to then click on apply, and you are going to get 2 gig of extra free traffic. So once you purchase any of the plans, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to make sure to come over to the proxy setup. So all you need to do is to select any country of your choice, and you can select any state in the United States as well, and you can select any city in that state as well. And also, as you can see right here, you can choose the type of session you want. If you want a proxy that you want to use for up to 24 hours, you can select this sticky session right here, or you can go for rotating if you want. All right, and you want to also make sure this box is checked right here, which means Node Maven is going to provide you only high quality proxies. All right. So now if you come over to the bottom, you are going to see the details of your proxy right here. So now I'm going to prove to you that their proxies are of high quality. So here I'm going to type in 40 proxies and it's going to give me 40 proxies. So I'm going to copy these proxies right here. You can see right here 96% rate out of 100, which tells you they have high quality proxies. You can see all of these proxies are of high quality. And this is the reason why I decided to stick with Node Maven proxies. So now that I have proven to you that their proxies are of high quality, now we are going to move over to the next step of the video, which is getting an anti-detect browser that you want to use the proxy with. And there are many anti-detect browsers out there that you can use, but I personally recommend using multi-login or using Go login. So these are one of the best anti-detect browsers out there that you can use. So now once you've chosen an anti-detect browser of your choice, you want to come back to Node Maven and you want to get the details of your IP. So now you want to type in one right here and you want to copy a single proxy at a time. So you want to then go back to your Go login browser and all you need to do right here is to simply paste in the proxy, and now as you can see it's going to turn to green, which is an indicator that this proxy is working fine. So now once you've created as many profiles as possible, all you then need to do from here is to click on run to open this profile. So once the browser opens up, you want to create Instagram account, TikTok account, Facebook account, and you want to also create YouTube account for each profile. Okay, and as you can see, because your IP is in the United States, it's going to automatically show you content in the United States. Okay, so now moving on with the video. So I'm going to first of all create a Facebook account so that I can link the same account to Instagram. And now as you can see right here, I have successfully created a Facebook account without any problem, as you can see right here. And also keep in mind, you can purchase aged Facebook account if you want to do that, but if you don't have the budget, you can simply create the Facebook account yourself. All right. And like I said, you can now link this Facebook account to your Instagram account, as you can see right here. So now, as you can see, I have created both Facebook and Instagram accounts all at the same time. So now you want to create a YouTube account and a TikTok account as well. All right. So now I'm going to take Instagram as an example of how I do this method. So you want to then go over to this website, thispersondoesnotexist.com. Then you want to save the image. And now you want to then upload that image on your profile. So once you do that, then the next step is to come over to this section that says edit profile. And once you do this, as you can see, you can add your website from desktop, but you can do this if you are on a mobile device. But don't worry, there's a solution to this. So all you need to do is to then come over to the bio section. So you then want to type in a very captivating call to action like this. So once you type this, then you want to click on submit. So now if I go back to my profile, as you can see, once people come over to my account, they are going to see turn on post notification for exclusive freebies giveaway. You can type in keywords along that line, and here you want to type in your website. So once people see this, they can easily go over to their browser and type in this website, and it's going to take them to our landing page. All right. And now that brings us to the next step where we want to create a landing page. Okay. So, and to do this, you can use any landing page builder of your choice from breezy.io, ClickFunnels, Google Sites, whatever you want to use is absolutely fine. All you just need to do is to make sure the landing page is very simple and has these instructions. Okay. So you want to do this and type in very simple text like this, be our next winner. And you want to make sure to type in available in US, since most of your traffic are going to be coming from the account country. And you want to add a very good image like this. And you want to add an instruction like this. Click the claim button below, answer all questions on the next page with valid information. Check your email if you are our next winner. Okay. So which means once people click on this button, it's going to take them to your smart link. And once they complete the CPA offer on that page, you make money. And now you can go over to offer vault. You can find a lot of SmartLink offers. All you need to do is to come over to category and you can scroll down. You're going to see SmartLink right here. And if you do this, you're going to see a lot of SmartLink offers that you can promote as well. And if you don't want to use offervault.com, all you just need to do is to come over to cpagrip.com where you will get accepted right away. And as you can see, I have some smart links right here. All you need to do is to then click on create a smart link. agree to terms of service. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and I highly recommend to change this from display to link directly to offer, because we have already informed people that they have to complete information in the next page. So now once they click on the claim button, it's going to take them directly to the offer. You can see these are sweepstake offers. This one as an example, which says enter for 1,000 cash for summer, and as you can see, you're going to get paid $2.31 per lead. All you need is just 250 people a day, and you're already making over $500 from one offer. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to click on save. So once you copy your smart link, you want to then go over to your landing page. So you want to click on the claim button, and you want to basically just add the link right here. So once you add the link, all you just need to do is to then go back to dashboard. So you can give your landing page a name like this, right? And to give it a name, all you just need to do is to click on the link, and you want to click on this subdomain. So if you click on subdomain, you can give it a customized name of your choice. All right, so you want to type in a name that resonates with the content of the landing page. So once everything is set up correctly, the final piece is adding content in your account. And all you need to do is to click on this create button. This is where you want to upload the videos you downloaded from TikTok. All right, so you want to then type in a very captivating caption like this. Okay, all you simply need to do from here is to upload the video to your account by clicking on the share button. So as you can see, the video has been uploaded to your account. You want to repeat the same process by uploading videos to Facebook Reels as well. And you want to also re-upload the same videos back to TikTok, and you want to upload it on YouTube Shorts as well. I can assure you, if you replicate this same strategy and you do this across multiple profiles using Node Maven proxies, you will definitely get a lot of traffic from United States, and you'll be making a lot of money from CPA grip using this SmartLink method.